Hey, welcome back to Cuphead's Art, and let's draw another Cuphead character, and I'm not sure about his name, but I think it is the Sagittarius constellation. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, we're going to start out with his eyes, and we're going to draw his two mean brow first. So we're going to go curve up, and then we're going to draw another one, just kind of curve it up. Kind of the same thing, just a little bit wider. And then from there, we're going to draw his eyeball. So we're going to draw one big circle underneath it. And then on the other side, we're going to go down and just kind of the same circle, but just again a little bit narrow. And then there inside his eyes, looks like it's like a little star shape. So we draw that. And then this side as well. Just a little bit of angle, just to show that it's a star. And let's see, I'm not going to shade it in because it's actually not black. And then after that, we're going to draw his nose. It's just going to be one little line. And then his mouth, just right below it, just draw a little curve up. And then we're going to give a little bit of a edge there on the side. And then one little dot on the bottom. Okay, so once we have that, now we can draw in his face. So from here, just give one little bump. And then we're going to come down, just kind of wrap around the mouth a little bit to give him a little chin. And then right here it's going to be a little bit bubbly, so it's going to curve in that way because he's making an expression as he's shooting the arrow. And then here, his forehead, we're just going to go straight up with a curve. Okay, and then now for his hair, right in the middle, we're going to draw one big one like this. And then on the side, we're going to draw two. Okay, and then now we're going to draw one curve coming down, and then one curve here, and then one going up. It's a little bit tricky. There's a lot of little curves going on. And then here, I'm going to draw his ear, and then his neck is just going to be straight down. Alright, so now we can finish off his hair. So this part's a little bit easier. So we're going to draw one curve, and then we're going to go one big curve right over it. And then another big curve here. We're going to connect with this one. Draw a little bit of line here so that I show it's fluffy. And now we're going to draw one, two, just kind of have it swoop back a little bit. Looks like the wind is blowing that way. Another curve, and then we're going to draw three little small ones, 1, 2, and 3. Now finish off his hair. Okay, so now it gets a little bit trickier here. So right here, we're going to draw his little shoulder. And then we're going to draw one big piece right here. This is going to be his arm. He's going to be holding the arrow. So one big curve, it's very bubbly. And we're going to draw one curve here. And one here. This is actually going to be his hand. So we're going to draw one finger here. Draw a little line here, give a little bit of space, we'll draw another finger, one more, and then one smaller one on the bottom. Okay, so from there, now we gotta draw his arrow. So right here, we're just gonna go straight out. And don't worry about how far, we'll just kind of go out first because we gotta draw his other arm first. Okay? And then from here, now let's draw his shoulder on the other side. So we draw a little bit of line here for his neck. And now we're going to draw one big bump here. It's going to be kind of his shoulder and arm. And then from here, let's draw his chest. So we're just going to curve it in. And then his back. And curve it. And then one little line here for his chest. So now let's draw his other arm. So we're going to come just a little bit line there, and then we're going to draw one curve a little bit over the little arrow that we drew. And then this one we're going to continue it down a little bit. Now for the bottom part, again, it's all bubbly shapes. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw his hand. So let's draw a little line there, and now his thumb is going to be right here. Okay, and then now we can draw his fingers right underneath the arrow. So we're gonna be 1, and then finishing off his palm. So we just got 1 curve like this, and maybe 1 small one in there. So now we can finish off the arrow. So I'll just extend it a little bit more. And the arrow tip will be very easy. Okay, and then from there, let's draw the bow. So right up here, well, let's draw this one first. Right on his fingertip, we're just gonna curve it. And then here, right over his thumb, we're gonna curve it. Okay, and then for the tip, just continue this and just kind of curve it back in like that. And then for the bottom, again, right underneath the finger, curve. This one here, curve. And again, we're gonna hook it. Okay, and then for the string, so we just gonna go from here, just draw 1 line back to that finger, and then here, from here to this finger. Okay, so now that we have that, let's finish off the cloud, which is gonna be pretty easy right down here. So we're just gonna give 1 bump, 2, 3, 4, and again, it doesn't have to be exact, as long as there's some kind of poofiness to it. 1. Okay, and then we're gonna draw 1 bigger one down here. And then we'll just draw some small ones down here. Okay. And let's go on to the other side. So 1, 2. Now right here it's gonna be this little lightning tail. So we're gonna draw in here, inside, we're gonna draw 1 curve. And now we're gonna draw the tail. Some nice little curves and just give it a little bit of a end. Nice little pointy end. And then here we're just gonna come back and tuck it back into that curve. And then we're gonna continue on with the clouds. Okay. Maybe some inside. And that's it for this character from Cuphead. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.